Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. So today we go for determinants. Introduction. Notation for determinant is that A or modulus A. For 2 by 2 matrix, okay, the determinant is A11 times A22 minus A12 times A21. So this is the determinants for 2 by 2 matrix. For 3 by 3 matrix, we have two methods. First one is cofactor and the second one is zero scheme. Zero scheme just for 3 by 3 matrix. So 4 by 4 matrix, 5 by 5 and so on, you have to use cofactor. Next, the first one we go for cofactor methods. So minor. What is minor? Mij be the n minus 1 times n minus 1 matrix obtained from A by deleting ith row and jth column. Okay, example 1. Let's say you have this A. Find M11 and M23. So the solution, to find M11, we cover or we remove first row and first column. So you have to look at the ij. Okay, this is our A. So we cover. Or biasanya saya akan coverkan dengan pen lah. So M11 is A22, A23, A32 and A33. So apa yang kita nampak? For M23, you have to cover row 2, column number 3. So what is left to you is A11, 12, 31 and 32. Next is cofactor. Cofactor of A denoted by Aij. And Aij, you can find it by this formula. Negative 1 power I plus J Mij. M is the minor. The sign of cofactor, you can also use this sign. So tak perlu ingat rumus lah. Just remember the first one is positive, negative, positive. This one you boleh ambil terus dan letakkan di sini. Negatif positifnya. Okay. And the sign of cofactor is selang-seli. Plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. Okay. We go for example 2. A is given to you like this. This is the general A. Find A11 and A23. So for this one, we use formula. Negative 1 power 1 plus 1 and then M11. For M11, you have to remember previous minor. So negative 1 power 2. So we cover A M11. So we remove here and remove here. So the left is this one. A22, A23, 32 and 33. And then for determinant 2 by 2, you have to remember how to solve that one, which is A22 times A33 minus A23 times A32. Or you can use this one. For this one, you can use this sign. So A11 duduknya di plus. So just terus masukkan plus. Okay, for A23, negative 1 power 2 plus 3, and then the minor 2, 3. Okay, we go for minor 2, 3. We cover row 2, we cover column 3. So left to you A11, 1, 2, 3, 1, and 3, 2. Okay, negative 1 power of 5 is negative. So kalau you nak guna sign of cofactor here, A23 is duduknya di sini. So just terus boleh dapatkan negatif. Okay, itu cofactor. Next. Example 3, find the determinant for A. So now we move to determinant. Determinant is the combination of minor, cofactor, and also the entries in the matrix. Okay, we go for solution. First step, we should choose the row or column with the most zeros to avoid computation of cofactors. Okay, why most zeros? Because in our calculation, the element we have to plug in also in the solution. So, kalau a row or column yang ada zero, so you plug in here. So, apa-apa darab zero, kosong lah, tak perlu kira. Dia punya minor. This is minor. Okay. But for A, we have no choice. Our matrix doesn't have zero, so just proceed. Let's say we use row 2 and column 3. For determinant, you can choose whether you want to use row or column. But for this one, I will show it to you both column and row. First tips, we prepare the sign of cofactor at A. So we plug in the positive negative here so that easy we write down nanti. Okay. So how to write down the solution? First, we write down the sign of cofactor because we choose row 2. So 5, the sign of cofactor is negative. So write down negative. And then 5 is the element. And then this is the minor. So how to get this minor? We just cover 5, row and column. So left to you 3, negative 4, 2, negative 3. And then we proceed. Okay, plus because the sign of cofactor for negative 6 is plus, and then negative 6 is the entries, and then this is the minor. So again, how to find minor? We cover negative 6. So negative 6, we cover So left to you 2, -4, 4, -3. This one. And then next entries is 3. So -3 and then the minor. Okay. Then we solve for minor. 3 times -3, 2 times -4. 2 to -3, 4, -4, 2, 2, 4, 3. Okay, and then you proceed until you get the answer. Now we find determinant by using column. So first we put in the sign of cofactor, plus minus up there, and then we write down the solution. So for this column, so plus -4. So plus tak payah tulis lah. So just -4 and then the minor. Same. Kita tutup -4 row and column. So left to you is 5, -6, 4 and 2. And so on. Okay, be careful with the multiplication for 2 by 2. This one. And as we can see, the answer is also -31. So as you can see, using row or column, we will get the same answer. So next we go for series scheme. Series scheme, the first step is write A and join to its first 2 columns. So this is our A. This one is you copy back row column 1 and column 2 and then put it here. At the back. And then step 2, put the arrow. So first one is the purple arrow. And then don't forget the plus sign. And then green arrow. And then the negative sign. So how to read using series scheme? Step 3, we multiply based on the arrow. Start with the purple. So A11, A22, A33, and so on. But you can simplify this one by factorize the negative sign. So keluarkan negatif, this one akan jadi positif lah. Okay, that's all for series. And make sure jangan juling ya. Example 4, find the determinant for A using cofactor and series scheme. Okay, you can try that one. Thank you.